Tell me something, how many times in a day do you say amazing? The pizza? Oh, it was amazing. Your dress? Ah, it's so amazing. Wow, you look so amazing. That building is so amazing. That car, wow, that's so amazing. Everything seems to be amazing. Don't you think so? I mean, think about it. Trump, he's not there anymore, so let's not discuss that. Amazing, amazing, amazing. Well, I am sure you overuse this word throughout your day. Don't you think so? Okay, today we are going to learn 15 different ways to express it's amazing or anything that is amazing. Not only we'll learn 15 different words, but we'll also see various examples and how to use them better. Alright guys, let's get started with today's lesson. The first word is delectable. You use this particularly when you find something that tastes yummy or good. For example, these cookies you baked are delectable. Instead of amazing, we're going to use delectable when it comes to food. This is the most delectable Indian curry I ever had. Delectable is used for food in particular. Let's move forward, guys. Next up, we have rejuvenating. This is one of my favorite words, by the way, and we use this when we find something that makes us feel young and energetic again. Particularly after a really long and hard-working week, when you get a weekend, that basically makes you relaxed and rejuvenates you. And that's why people go to spas. Don't you think so? Let's take a look at a few examples. My trek to the Himalayas was rejuvenating, refreshing. The lockdown helped me rejuvenate. I don't know about you guys, but I made the most of this lockdown. And even though I was at home, I practiced so many activities and things that helped me rejuvenate. You got it, guys. Next up, gripping. Gripping. Take a look at this word. This might be very useful. We use this when something that holds your attention immediately. Maybe a story, maybe a joke, maybe series. For example, the new girl in my office has a gripping personality. Well, she's probably somebody, when you look at her, you just want to know her more. Gripping personality. What a fabulous way to say this. The fake news is often gripping and causes damage before it's taken down. It happens to all of us. These days, the media, including the social media, is full of it. We have a lot of fake news and it gets people's attention. You want to know more about it and then it's taken down, right? Gripping. Next up, we have top-notch. Top-notch. It means something that is of great quality, of superior quality. Well, if you ask me, from the next time onwards, when you are maybe going to an Apple shop or going to an electronics shop or an automobile shop and you find something that is of great quality, you can try using this particular adjective. I had an opportunity of presenting in front of a top-notch audience. The way it is used over here is quite interesting. When you know that people in front of you are the higher-ups, the big wigs of the company, what would you refer to them as? Top-notch. Okay then, the build of this car is top-notch, a really good-looking car. It's top-notch, great quality. Next we have spectacular. Say it after me. Spectacular. And it means something that's exciting to look at. For example, the view from my apartment is spectacular. Maybe you live on the 30th floor, 40th floor, and the view that you get from there, it's just spectacular. The light show on the New Year's Eve was spectacular. Well, particularly the one in Dubai that I have seen in reality was spectacular. Okay then. Next up we have marvelous. Marvelous. It is used when you find something that's performed extremely good in a great manner. For instance, you did a marvelous job with the presentation today. All your efforts were paid for and you did such a good job, you presented so well that it was marvelous. After that, weight loss, you look marvelous today. Instead of beautiful or instead of fit and healthy, what have we used? Marvelous. You looked marvelous. There you go, guys. Next up, we have fascinating. Fascinating. When do we use this word? We use this when something that interests you or it is extremely interesting. Now, for example, the new series on Netflix was so fascinating that I kept watching all the episodes until 5 a.m. The story was so good, the characters were so good that it got your attention and it was so interesting that you wanted to keep watching it. Over here, we can also use gripping. When a story is gripping, it holds your attention. Yes? Okay. Good job, guys. The new book on Indian history was fascinating. All right. Take a look at this word, splendid. Splendid. We use this when we find something that is excellent, beautiful, or impressive. You have so many adjectives on one screen. Splendid, excellent, beautiful, and impressive. Let's take a look at a few examples, shall we? The team marked a splendid victory in the test series with young players. Their performance was excellent. That's when you have used splendid. Your arguments at the debate were splendid. They were so impressive. They were of such excellent quality that you find it splendid. Classy. Next word is classy. A short, simple, and a very useful word. It means someone who is very stylish or someone who is very fashionable. You would say or use classy. It's time we upgrade ourselves to a classy electric car. I love the way Ria speaks. Her voice is soft and classy. Another great way to use or to compliment somebody on their personality, on the way they speak, on the way they approach. If you find them in any of these categories, please compliment them as classy. Okay then. Magnificent. Magnificent. It means something that is so beautiful that you keep admiring it. You keep looking at it and you want to admire it more and more, as if your phrases or words will never get over. The Taj Mahal is magnificent. It is so beautiful that you want to keep admiring it. The Grand Canyon is magnificent. All right, guys. Next up, we have impressive. Impressive. Something or someone you admire or respect. Your English communication skills are very impressive. That means you admire their communication skills. You want to talk like them. You want to be like them. And that's why you find them impressive. Her people management skills are quite impressive. And that's why maybe her managers, maybe her team boss, team lead really admires her work and respects her for that. All right, guys. Incredible. Incredible. It means something that's so good that is difficult to believe that it's that good. Yes? Well, The calmness in the city during the lockdown was incredible. You just are not able to believe that it was the way it was. Maybe a view is incredible. Maybe your trip to a new country, to a new city, that experience was incredible. Somebody's personality too can be incredible. Alright guys, here you go. You just learned 15 really amazing, oh no, we are not going to use amazing from now on, really splendid words that you can upgrade in your vocabulary and start using them and replace them with the overused word amazing. And now you know how you can do it. Well, that's all for today, guys. This is me, Meera, signing off. Until the next time. Bye-bye.